Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab M8 4th generation, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup. And basically, this is the whole procedure when you do not have your Google account added to the device. If you've got one, you will have to simply choose it from the list. If not, as you can see, we'll have to go through the whole operation of adding the account, but that's okay. Let's tap on Add Account and make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. All right, and then tap on Next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. All right, so let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, you can read it, just tap on the particular section and you will be able to check some further details. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And right here we've got the information about the backup, so we are able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages, and of course you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On. And here we've got another section with the backup. You can manage the storage, so you can, for example, remove some unnecessary files. You can check how much space you've got left. Under it, you've got the backup details, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now. And as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.